got a new bra from Shape Up. Okay, it is wide, several hooks to keep it secure, 4 rows so you can adjust it. We can adjust the strap. The inside is definitely gonna hold the girls up. I got this in a size 40 EF because I am a 40 triple D. So let me put it on so we can see the difference between right now with my rolls and how it's gonna look on. So this is the bra on, okay? The girls are up, the girls are here. The top of the waist is snatched. Listen. This is the bra, okay? This is the bra. The girls need to get, okay? Listen, I'm sold. This is the bra.